Hello guys, Happy New Year. I hope that you will a good year for yourself and your family. I hope that you will be healthy, especially healthy. And today I thought that I can teach you something new. Let's go. Sumak, vinegar, sirke, sprout, sabze, coin, سکه، سمنو خودش میشه سمنو، اپل سیب و در آخر اولیستر یعنی سنجد.
میرسد ز ره نوروز، سبز و دلخوش و